I have a good news for those travelers that prefer to travel in different cities without any tour guide, and they want to discover a new place by themselves. So, when you want to travel to Iran, there are many vague issues that you don't have enough information about them, and you couldn't find any proper information on Google. So it's better to seek our professional consultation, and we can have an online meeting before you're traveling, and we will give you all information that you need during traveling in Iran. And even when you arrive in Iran, during your traveling in different cities, we will again support you and help you. Or you can come to Iran on your very first day. We will meet you in your hotel, hostel, or we can arrange a meeting in a cafe. Then we will discussing about different information and probable difficulties that you will face in Iran, and you know very well how to cope with each of them. So don't hesitate to contact with us if you have any plan to travel Iran, and stay tuned.